Understanding all year round in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a very common English phrase, all year round. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversation, literature, and various forms of media. Let's explore what it means, how to use it correctly, and look at some examples. If you're ready, let's get started. The phrase, all year round, refers to something that happens continuously throughout the year, without interruption. It implies that an event, activity, or condition is not limited to any specific season or time. This phrase is often used to describe weather patterns, business operations, or personal habits that don't change with the seasons. Here, we will look at some practical examples to understand how all year round is used in sentences. 1. Weather patterns. In Hawaii, the weather is warm all year round, making it a perfect holiday destination. 2. Business operations. Our cafe remains open all year round, serving customers even during holidays. 3. Personal habits. She enjoys swimming all year round, regardless of the weather. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, emphasizing its versatility in English. A common mistake learners make is confusing all year round with phrases that have similar meanings but are used differently. For example, year-round, without all, is also used but often as an adjective. They offer year-round services. I hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase, all year round, confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, it's a phrase that reflects continuity and consistency, regardless of the season. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in our next lesson.